just happened. I normally want. I see what just happened. I normally want two things in the microwave at the same time. So this one was on top of this plate. And all these takeaway containers, they are not strong. Something told me not to do it though. But I still went ahead. I have a little bit of stew here. And I have so see. I just noticed, looked at the microwave and noticed it was bending awkwardly. And this one had bent and the other one had pulled. So now making all this mess for me to clean. Ah wow. Ouch. What's a waste? An extra work that I hate. I hate extra work so much. Okay, thank you.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
I'm all done cleaning it and it looks better now. And my plantain is done. I'm done just left to pack the kids' lunch boxes and then I'm good to leave the kitchen. Finally. Officially done from washing the plates. My food is ready. Everything is good.
You just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Hello,
Mama, be
everybody.
careful, you're pouring this thing too.
Hello, everybody. And my name is Eliora Nganti. I am 4 years old. I'm in reception class. Igimi is just being naughty every day because she's 2 years old. She's now in pre-nursery, so she's being naughty. She will tell my parents to go and kneel down and hands up. Thank you.
Thank you, baby. Yes, what do you have to say for yourself, madam? What's your name? Your name is Eliara.
No, my name is Eliora now. Your name is Igimi. Igimi Ziva. My name is Ziva.
Your name is Ziva.
My teacher told me that raise up your hand.
Yes, because you're a naughty girl.
I'm naughty girl. naughty girl. I forgot to tell them something. Her name is Eliora. I'm a good girl. She's a naughty girl, but I'm a good girl. I help my mom clean the room.
Yes, Joko is always helping me. But you know you're not supposed to talk with food in your mouth, right?
They made me eat.
Hey, baby.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile